In this video clip, we will edit the tags in the project that we created in the previous exercises. Again, we are using the Figure 1 flowsheet in the SysCAD Basic tutorial, which is shown here for reference. The first thing that we shall do is to change the tag names of the units in the flowsheet so that they're the same as those that are shown here. Please note that we could have changed the tag names when we inserted the units, or you can change them at a later stage, as we are going to do now. So we're going to change the feeders to reflect the names shown here and the name of the autoclave. In SysCAD, to change the name of a unit, if you right-click on the unit, so we right-click with our mouse button, we get what we call the Access window. And near the top of the Access window, there's this button, which is Tag. So if I click on that button, I get the Change Tag dialog box. The old tag is shown at the top, and the new tag is shown in blue down here. So this will replace the tag. If I just start typing the name, and in this case it's conch acid, if I type conch, and if I put a space in and I type acid, and then enter or click on the OK button, we get this message. In SysCAD, it is illegal to have a space, and so it'll change that and put an underscore where there was a space. I can either say no if I want to make a change myself, or in this case I'll say yes to continue. And you'll see the unit has now been changed to conch acid. I right click on the next feeder down, and I click on the tag button. I can change this to water, and OK. The next one down is my ore feed. So if I right click on that, click on the tag button, and type in ore, in this case I'll put the underscore feed. The bottom feeder is at my steam, so I'll right click on that, click on the tag and steam. OK. This is the autoclave vent, tag, vent, and OK. And the last one down is my leached solution. So if I right click on that and get my access window, click on the tag button and type in leached underscore solution. So those are all my feeders changed. And now if I right click on the tank, which I want to be the autoclave, click on the tag button and type in autoclave. And OK. And you'll see the tags have all now changed. If I want to change the position of a tag or the size of a tag, I can click up here on this icon, which is Tag Position Show or Hide, or I can click on Graphics, Edit, Tag Position Show or Hide, and I will get this dialog box. So this allows me to do quite a few things. If I have a look here, I can say Show All Unit Tags, and it will show all the unit tags in this flowsheet, or I can say Hide All Unit Tags, and you'll see there, they're all now hidden. But I actually want to display them, so I'll click back on Show All. And at the moment, you'll see all my links do not have their tags displayed. And if I say Show All Link Tags, you'll see now all the tags are displayed. I can also use the In Window or Cross-In Window to show or hide all tags within a window. I can change the size of the tags or the rotation, and I can show or hide individual tags. To change a tag's position, up here there's Set Tag Position. If I click on that, you'll see it actually makes the dialog box smaller, and now I can go and change the tag positions. So the first thing it says is which unit do I want, and you click on a unit and it'll go magenta, and then it'll allow you to place the position of that tag. And you can just click to show it where you want it to be. And when you've finished, you can say Next, and then it changes back to blue, and now you can click on your next unit, which in this case is the autoclave. If I click there, I can change its position by just clicking. That's where the bottom left of the name of the tag. When you're finished, you say Done, and there are all the tags, and it looks rather neat.